After painful years of seeking justice, satisfaction. Khaled el-Masri, a German car salesman of Lebanese descent, happens to have a name similar to that of an al-Qaeda man. It's thought that that coincidence and Washington's so-called war on terror led to a nightmare of injustice lasting several months. It all started 9 years ago when el-Masri tried to go on holiday in Macedonia, but local police arrested him, questioned him for days on end, and beat him.
They took me to this room. I had handcuffs and I was blindfolded. The door was closed and I was beaten from all sides. I was humiliated. I could hear that I was being photographed when naked.
Human rights experts say he was then handed over to the CIA.
They cut his clothes off him and put earmuffs on his head, a diaper and a suit on him, and then bundled him into this plane. And he was then flown to. He was heavily drugged and then flown to Afghanistan.
There, el-Masri says CIA operatives had him beaten, sexually abused, and interrogated about possible links to extremist groups. When, he says, the Americans realized their mistake, he was flown to Albania and left by a road in the middle of the night. There, the Albanians put him on a plane back to Germany, a free man, but shattered by his experience and wanting justice.
With the help of civil liberties groups, el-Masri tried to sue the United States, but the American court agreed with the American government's argument that state secrets were at stake. He then tried to get Germany to extradite the CIA agents involved in his case, but the German court threw out that case as well. Diplomatic cables released by WikiLeaks show that the American embassy in Germany here piled the pressure on the German government to protect its operatives.
Now, at last, a court has agreed with el-Masri. A symbolic victory against a small country, perhaps, but a victory nonetheless. Nick Spicer, Al Jazeera, Berlin.